which is called as the twin city of Kochi. The twin city of Kochi is Ernakulam, which is the closest city to the geographical center of India. The closest city to the geographical center of India is Nagpur. The 0-mile marker is situated at this place. 0-mile marker. Which World Heritage Site comprises of Alai Darwaza Gate? Qutub Minar complex comprises of Alai Darwaza Gate. It is the southern gateway of Qutub Minar complex. The first planet which was discovered using a telescope is, the first planet that is discovered using a telescope is Uranus. It is the 7th planet from the Sun. And it is discovered in the year 1781. River Ganga is called by which name in Bangladesh? It is called as Padma in Bangladesh. Daringbadi hill station is located in, Daringbadi hill station is located in Orissa. It is in Kandhamal district of Orissa. It is widely known as Kashmir of Orissa. Let us see the next one. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states of India? It passes through 8 states of India. Let us see what are the 8 states. They are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. So, Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states of India, that is Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Let us see the next one. The hill station of Matheran is located in, the hill station of Matheran is located in Maharashtra. Which state in India has the least population? The least population is in Sikkim. And the highest population is in Uttar Pradesh. Let us see the next one. In which city Pichola Lake is adulated? Pichola Lake is adulated in the city of Udaipur, Rajasthan. It was the artificial freshwater lake. Next one. Study of Earth is known as geology. Natya Shastra, which is an important source of Indian classical dance, was written by. It was written by Bharat Muni. Which planet has the highest revolutionary motion? Neptune is the planet that is having the highest revolutionary motion because Neptune is having the longest orbital period of when compared to the other planets. A year in Neptune is equals to 164.8 years in any other planet. Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research, Kalapakkam is located in. It is located in Tamil Nadu. It was founded on April 30th, 1971. Who among the following is associated with Indian civilization? Sir Alexander Bingham is associated with Indian civilization. Where is rail coach factory located? Rail coach factory is located in Kapurthala, which is in Punjab. Which is the highest peak in Aravalis? The highest peak in Aravalis is Guru Shikhar. It is the peak in Arbuda mountains of Rajasthan. Friends, Crack is providing SSC, CGL and CHSL mocks. We are providing CGL and CHSL mocks each for 199 rupees. We are also providing 2 free mocks. Please do Google search Crackus SSC, CGL and CHSL mocks and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. We are also providing previous papers of SSC, CGL and CHSL. Please do visit our website cracku.in and download these papers for your reference and practice. Udaygiri and Khandagiri rock cut caves are located in. Udaygiri and Khandagiri rock cut caves are located in Orissa, like in Bhubaneswar. These are formerly called as Kattaka caves. Let us see the next one. The river Brahmaputra is referred as dash in China. The river Brahmaputra is referred as Yarling Tsangpo in China. Which of the following energy is not from the sea? Geothermal energy is not from the sea. Geothermal energy means heat within the earth. Which of the following Himalayan ranges extends from the northern side of Leh to the Tibetan border and comprises Digarla Pass and Kardula Pass? Ladakh range extends from northern side of Leh to Tibetan border. What is the approximate circumference of Earth? The approximate circumference of Earth is 40,000 kilometers. Which river flows along the city of Lucknow? Gomti is the river that flows along the city of Lucknow. There is another important river in Lucknow, that is Sai river. Dudhsagar waterfalls is located in which state of India? It is located in Goa state of India. Dudhsagar waterfalls is on like the river Mandovi. Which wildlife sanctuary is also known as Mini Kaziranga? Pobitura Wildlife Sanctuary is also called as Mini Kaziranga. Hope these questions are helpful for you, and I would like to recommend you to make a note of all these questions at a place so that it will be very much helpful for you before going to the exam, like to have a glance very easily. And if you have any suggestions regarding the video, you can tell me through the comment section, and if you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. Thank you.